Lovely. Thank you for that. Okay. Anyways, I'm recording. Shush. Okay, so I want to show you how to edit and change the colors on your student site here. This is relatively easy to do. Now, the reason that you're going to want to work with the color palettes and site colors are because when you're working within this design element, if on either your own site or on a client site anywhere in the future, you decide that you want to change the colors, instead of having to go in and like change the color here and do it here and here and here and do it like all of the different places, which can be very, very time consuming. Or, what if you get a client and they tell you, oh my gosh, it's just not the right color pink. It's just got to be a little bit different. And you're like, "Ugh." Totally, totally happens. So make sure that you are using the palettes, okay, and the site colors. So now, in order to change the site colors, all you're going to do is either click on just like hover over some kind of colored design element. So for example, if I go to the strip background here, and I go to colors, it'll say color, color picker. You'll notice right here that on the thing that says site colors, it also says change. When you click on change, this is where you're able to update the site colors. Okay. Now, when you're choosing colors for your background, or you're then picking any kind of colors, like for right here, or you're going to choose this background, make sure that those colors are selected out of your site colors. Otherwise, if you just have like random accent colors that are like down here, it will not automatically update throughout the site, and if that makes sense. Okay, so if you're just looking for an accent color and you pick one down here, well, if you wanted to change all the pinks across your site to that color blue, you would have to go in there and change the site colors. Okay, I hope this is making sense. And if you kind of like, if this just clicked, this is going to save you so much time in the future. So now, how do you do this on your own student site? If you're going to the text, just simply go to edit text, click on the site color, go to change, and then this is where you will edit or update any of your own color palettes. So for example, if your site colors were green, you would put green right here, and you'll be able to see where that changes across the site. And um, I hope that I was using most of the design colors throughout the website, so that when you change one element, it should, fingers crossed, change all the colors. But you will want to go ahead and double check on all the pages and make sure that, especially, if you're a guy and you're creating a website, you don't have like some hot pink text or font somewhere sticking out of your site, because it would be kind of hilarious, but I don't think you would appreciate that too much. So go in here and just simply go to change column background, color, site colors, change, add in your own palettes. In order to do this, you can kind of like, for example, if you were going to use this palette, it would, as you can see, if I were to enter this palette in and then make sure you click on done, it would automatically update all of the site colors across my website that was that. Okay. So you can kind of see how it did that there. You can use some of the color palettes that they already have built in. Otherwise, you can go ahead and create your own color palette. So that is how you add in your own site colors and customize the colors on your student site. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out inside of the student support group to our customer service. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.